SmartDFM is PentaLogix, designed for manufacturing tool. A very useful tool not only for manufacturers who want to check customers' files, but also for designers and engineers who want to go from raw files to ready-to-manufacture files. Some of the features and benefits when using SmartDFM include organizing and renaming layers, validate board outline, clip elements found outside of the board outline, convert negative layers, create custom rule checks for your DFM. Start by setting up your parameters. Make sure to select the correct options to make sure SmartDFM runs smoothly. Verify the layer count is correct. Also check the details for the drill and routing layers. If you have plated and non-plated holes, make sure to have them in separate layers and select the correct checkboxes. Same for routes. Identify the layers accordingly. If you already identified the layer type for your layers, you can use the Auto-Identify tool. SmartDFM will automatically organize the layers. Confirm the board outline is correct. If you have a broken or open path, SmartDFM will let you know so you can fix it. Next, SmartDFM will show you the elements that are out of the board outline so they can be automatically clipped. You can select the outline margin you want to work with. Some of the rules you can check and customize are minimum feature size, minimum space clearance, plated drill annular ring, non-plated drill clearance, hole-to-hole clearance, allow stacked drill holes, solder mask minimum web, silkscreen clearance, to solder mask, hole and paste, silkscreen minimum feature size. If you want to have different DFM rule sets, just modify the specification for the rule you want to change and then save as. Finally, you can generate a report and extract a netlist file. That's it. Your files are ready to manufacture. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us at support@pentalogix.com.